Alright, once again, here we have what's called a first look. This is a new tool that I picked up, or a new accessory. And you can see what we have here is this is a small hydraulic ram. It probably only has about a 1-inch travel. And then this 10-ton short hydraulic. It's probably got about a 3 or 4. And if you'll remember the Toyota video, I had this particular one here and this one that had spring leaks on the top, so I had to replace these two. And then I've got this little tiny one. It's about a 3.5-inch throw, plus it's actually got a screw that you can turn to make it just a little bit longer. I think the screw is about 1.75 inches, or maybe close to 2 inches, maybe even a little longer than that. Right there is where it stops. And I took the grinder and I put some deeper teeth in there just to grab. And I have to change these hydraulic fittings here, because I've got, this is my main unit, and so it has the ISO B style, but these are a Pioneer fitting, and so they're just a quick type. And then it has to bleed just for a second, and then when you do it again, then it bleeds it out. It'll shoot up. It takes a second, but you can get it to bleed. Let's see if I can get it to... I'm doing this one-handed as usual. Make sure my screen's not too big. Let's see. Let's see if I can move that up. Yeah, it doesn't take much. That's only 5,700 pounds is all it will hold. And so I have these other fittings here that I have to change. And these two are pullback rams, so those hook sets right there, that's the big one, and that's a smaller hook set, and you can pull chains tight and things like that. So that's my new tool review, or quick look of it's basically a Harbor Freight. Anyway, I'll let you go for now and get you a thumbs up. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.